So this segment of my how-tos is going to be about Hampton Bay 11-foot LED umbrellas. This is one that's closed, and you can see it's got this gigantic base, right? And inside there I have a huge amount of sand, and it's super heavy. It's like 300 pounds, and basically they're connected by a stand also. Okay, so in the back here, this is my backyard. This is a T-bar, and it just presses together, and then I built this, and it closes it up to look like the ones in the front, and then that post right there would be in the middle. So I bought 4 3/8 originally. I got 5/16 2.5s, and you see I haven't opened that drill bit yet. Now I did open the 3/8 bit and try to start drilling. I'll show you guys that in a minute, because my 18-volt drill just isn't cutting it. So just in case, I bought the SDS Plus 3/8 6-inch cutter, and that thing is like going to go into my Bauer tool, which the guy at Home Depot didn't know I had. So, you know, I guess for that reason he referred me to get the carbide hammer drill bit from Milwaukee. And then that, my idea is to bolt that straight in the ground there, right? And then that will go into that, and it will swivel 360 in the room here, leaving all of this space without that plastic box around it. And I think this is going to work. This is what I bought to do it. So this is my side umbrella. I did this one a little bit differently. I actually made a form into the ground. It's 2 feet into the ground. It's got 4 feet of rebar, and I made my own little base neck to spin it on. So I'll show you how this looks when it's open. So my palms are getting a little bit bigger over there. I can actually move it further this way. The neck is actually from a piece of plumbing. I want to show you this. So the neck is actually a plumbing piece that I created. I use the Dremel to just drum out the inside to make it the exact size of the post. It gives it flexibility, allows it to turn. It's kind of a guessing game, but it worked. It's probably better to attach it to the base, and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing in the back to the base post. I'll show you what I'm doing in the back here. I did not buy tap cons. I am not using wedge anchors that tap into the ground because I don't want to crack them. I'm going to use redheads because they just open up into the ground when you put them in. So I'll tap them in to 3 inches and then start screwing them in, and they'll just open up. Tried to make it work, but this took me like an hour, and my Bauer will cut through this like butter, but I just want to see if this works. Here we go. I'm on hammer drill. I'm going to, this is my first time drilling for these holes. You know what? I'm going to try the other tool. I want to see what this is like. So, bow, bow, bow.
Where's it at? Oh, check that.
So this is a tool I got from, what's it called? Where did I get this from? Tool Depot? What is it called?
I don't know.
Bauer tool. Specific company makes it. Harbor Freight. This is a Harbor Freight tool. I don't have a drill. It's electric.
We're gonna hear? Here's one of those. What it was. For the right dog, why didn't we use that before?
Because we didn't know until I just used it. Clearly a better tool, though.
Of course you didn't know, bro. Come on.
Now. I knew. That's why I bought it, but I still had to see, right? I mean, it's hard to... So clearly, the Bauer demolition drill on drill with a big drill bit that's a 6X drill. What is this drill called? It's called a 4-cutter solid carbide SRS Plus. This thing just went down about 4 inches in about 2 seconds.
The last one.
All the way through?
Yeah.
She's on the ice taking daring chances. Look at that. That's good. Okay. So.
Daring chances?
She's being daring. Whatever. Give me crap for no reason. Hassle me.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, buddy. You're just jealous. She's a better skater.
I was never saying I'm the better skater.
Oh, I know you are.
I am the better skater.
Ah! Oh, that's funny. I don't think I want that deep. I mean, clearly the right tool for the right job, you know, but I mean, that did not go very far. Yeah, there we go. Okay, ready? It's gonna push right through, and I'm gonna be okay. Duh. That's annoying. It's annoying because there's actually hollow space down there. Yeah, if that's. Much more official 3/8 drill, I swear. That's really going straight.
Ron's got 100?
That popped all the way through, didn't it? Yeah.
Daddy, I beat Bauer. I beat Bauer. I got score 100.
Wait, you do not want first.
Yeah. Upside down.
Upside down. The thing's gotta open in there. Come on now.
Can't believe I made those a little bit messed. They're a little bit on angle. So, give me a fourth one. Now, let me just see if that guy who told me I should get the 5/16, I was better off with that, but who knows? Okay, what the heck? Oh no. How's that look?
Looks good.
We should try to tighten them, huh? Just by squeezing, turning them.
Right here.
If it's the right size still. And it is. I can feel it opening. So strong compared to the base that we were using. Anybody want to do this?
Nah, you got it.
I know, I got it. The old guy has it.
I'm going to.
So actually going through is no big deal.
I'm going to be a secret agent.
Except if it starts twisting through, but it's not. It's just opening right up. You're a secret agent? Sorry.
I'm a secret agent.
It's not so secret anymore.
Yeah, you're just an agent now.
Oh yeah, dust.
That's nice.
Man, don't even move one bit.
I'm a secret agent.
Man, now I just want to see someone run into it.
No, you don't.
I do.
Pause, I'll be right back.
I'm suing you. Got it.
So I'm just doing some extra tightening. I mean, it's done. I'm just making sure that it doesn't have any spots where it can still turn. It's actually not moving at all, really. That one moves a little bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so nice. That is great. That's so much. Look at that. I'm worried about cracking the concrete. I'm so nuts. I mean, I don't think I should be worried about cracking the concrete. Can you help me here? You hold that? We're going to drop the base in really quick here.
Yo, Brandon, we're going to use this on your house. Help you with the electricity bill.
We need a bigger solar panel for the house, but yeah, we could run LEDs with it for, you know, half an hour, hour and a half.
The small ones. Just putting in the pin so we can lock it in place.
So if any problem with parts, you call Hampton Bay and you tell them, you send them a copy of your receipt and they'll send you whatever you're missing. So you don't have to go back to Home Depot. If you want to go back to Home Depot, like let's say you have friends coming over on the weekend and you really need to get this thing done, you don't want to wait for parts to be sent. Just go swap it out. But at the end of the year, you'll probably only find one of these for the price I got. That looks good, right?
Yeah.
End of the season. Yeah, excuse me. Open another. All right, so.
Must be the last one of the season.
Okay, so yeah. Let's get the solar panel.
I'll move the stuff out of the way. Hold on, don't put it in yet.
You want to show this? Are you videoing right now?
Just putting the lights on it. Yeah, could you turn the cable right here, Brandon? Right here.
No, they sent me the wrong one. Alright. I gotta, okay, so we're just gonna put it up. Just hang on. I got that piece right now. I'll have to go get another one. Alright, ready?
Ooh, yeah.
Okay, you don't go.
No band.
Show me. Show me. Show me. I can show me. I can show me.
I can show you under the umbrella.
Wow. Well, hey. So I'm glad you're back. So we've let this thing sit for a couple days. Still really solid. It's perfect. It's a great addition to the house. There's no more of that gigantic base, so we get really close to the poles. I really like this, but I want to tell you guys something. Right tool for the right job. So right here we have the tools that we used for this job. This drill was the first thing I tried with this concrete bit based on the recommendation from your favorite hardware supplier. But I realized I had this Bauer demo drill in my house, and these things are great because they're cheap, they're disposable. So I went back to Home Depot. I got this bit here, which, as you saw in my video, cut through like butter. It's an SDS Plus solid carbide. It just went right through the concrete, as I'll show you here. Always use the right size anchors. These sleeve anchors were perfect. 3/8 inch by 3 inch. They were perfect. The 5/16 were too small. If you're going to use your own hammer drill, some small little thing that you got to be prepared to have a kind of a hurt shoulder for a couple days. But this worked out pretty good, didn't it? You like this?
Yeah.
It's nice, right? I think you should come here and have a drink. Thanks for joining. Brandon W007.
Easy and simple. Yeah, right. I'm not gonna be hitting my head anytime soon.
Wow, I'm so glad we didn't try to lift it off the ground. So look, it basically has a 360 directional. Easy to turn.
Hits the lights. Hits the.
Is it hitting stuff?
Yep. You could probably turn it all the way though.
It's okay, I'll bring it back.
Hits the lights.
It's gonna walk right now.
And we're under it. It's not even good servers yet. Is it bending or not?
Huh?
Is it bending at all?
No, it's perfect. It's really nice. I'm really happy with it. So how's it look from forward? Looks good, right?
Yeah. Look at this.
I'll be the camera.
Okay, shorty.
I'm not a shorty. Wanna see how tall I am?
Short.
Stop.
You climbing on the wall? That ain't even fair.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. What is this? What is this? What'd you say? You're not climbing on the wall?
I am not climbing on the wall.
Yes, you are.
Look at how tall I am. This is how tall I am. Look.
How tall again?
And look at how small I
Hold
am.
on, how tall did you say?
But
Wait, looking up. Let me see. Let me see you. Hold on. I have to be looking down.
no.
Oh, let's see. Alright,
Come
hold on.
here. Mom, come here. Stop right now. Stop right now.
Stop it.
Stop
Wait,
right now.
hold on.
Stop. Come
I
here.
know.
Daddy, they're not baby on here. Come here. No. Come here. Come here.
Look at my brother.
Come here. Come here. I'm gonna fall.
He won't fight though.
Come here.
Okay.
Look, you're standing.
Yeah, you are too. Okay,
No, I'm not.
yeah, look down. All the way down. Oh, what is that?
Look, that's the wall. And my feet are not on the wall. This is my these are my feet. Okay. Look, this is how tall I am. This is how tall. This no. Look, I'm so much bigger. Look at how big I am. I'm
You're not
bigger
recording
than
your
him.
face.
You're putting your face or your chest?
My face.
How do you know if you can't see it?
Oh no.
There you go.
Putting your face now.
Nah, it's scary.
I want you to put the vacuum away, actually. That was not actually bad, Billy. I'm not gonna do it over there.
Okay, I'm stopping the video. Wait, video me doing ballet.
This cut through everything like butter, as you saw in the video.